everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add documents to Google Drive. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Drive apps. And after this, in here, if you want to add documents to Google Drive, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the plus icon at the bottom. And after this, in here, you can click on the upload. And in here you can search on the documents. Click on it. Okay, and in here you can see many documents that you can add to a Google Drive. I want to add this one, so you just click on it. And after this, in here you can swipe down until you can see the documents that you can add. And in here you can see this document has been added to the Google Drive. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.